Okay, this question is considering certain unknown things to us, but we'll see how do we calculate them. Mean proportion, third proportion and fourth proportion. Okay, so mean proportion can be written for two numbers a and b, can be written as under root a into b. So this is how you calculate mean proportion. So here the two numbers which are given to us are 1 by 4 and 1 by 9. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 9, and if you take the overall root of it, you will get the mean proportion. So 1 by 36's root would give you this 36, and if you take the square root of it, you will get 1 by 6. So this becomes your mean proportion. And in the second part, he is talking about third proportion. So third proportion is nothing but b square by a. For two numbers a and b, third proportion can be written as b square by a. Here b is 36 into 36, and the first number a, that is 18. So b square by a would be 18. You will cancel this thing, you will cancel this, and you'll get 72. So third proportion is 72. And the third part of the question is talking about fourth proportion. Fourth proportion for three numbers a, b and c can be written as b into c divided by a. So here b is 16, c is 18 and a is 12. 4 times 3, this is 4 times 4, and 3 cancels 18 by 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So this is your fourth proportion of these given numbers.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.